talk us through how you approach it.
Really just gonna take it head on, not let it intimidate me.
Yeah.
Show it that I'm here.
And what sort of training you've been doing?
Lots of mental exercises, just mentally being ready for it.
Yeah.
It's all mind over matter. The physical is merely this world.
How are the blisters?
This blister is feeling fresh.
Bryony,
Hello.
how are you feeling?
Good to go.
Let's go, mate. How's everyone feeling?
I want every step I take to take me higher.
Get it done.
With each challenge I won't stop until I reach the top. I wanna be a mountain climber.
It would be easy to just slip back.
Where are we going, Dom?
Distracted to get off
Up there
track.
first, and then we can
I
say
won't be
Grib
discouraged on this
feeling, Indy?
land, but focus on the task ahead. I've got to run and not be weak, pushing on to reach the peak. Though it's harder when it starts to rain, they say no pain, no gain.
I wanna be a mountain climber. I want every step I take to take me higher. With each challenge I won't stop until I reach the top. I wanna be a mountain climber.
Yeah, that'll do. So, Indy, you made it to the top.
Just about.
That was dreadful.
So I'm relieved I'm here now.
Yeah.
Dom at the end, Dom's getting his
Be a mountain climber. I want every step I take to take me higher. Take me higher. With each challenge I won't stop until I reach the top. I wanna be.
Tell them where you've been.
I was up there.
I wanna be a mountain climber.
Be a mountain climber.
I want every step I